Hey everyone, it's Laura, and today we're going to make an adorable mouse craft that I found on the internet. Sometimes I see things on the internet and I think, I want to make this. And sometimes they're actually things that you would care about, and other times they're things that I think are just fun for me. So let's make a mouse. You need a couple strips of paper. You can make your mouse whatever color you want, so don't feel chained down by what is found in nature. But I am using gray because I have some of that on hand. You're going to make him out of a folded piece like this, but don't crease your folds. Don't do it. You can make him as chubby, as skinny, as long as you want. You're just going to make sure that you do not ever crease that fold, because that will make it flat. And you don't want a flat mouse. You want a mouse that is kind of teardrop shaped. So use a little bit of glue to make that end sticky. Bend your paper to meet, let it stick, and then you're going to use circle shapes of whatever kind. I'm using some washi tape to trace a circle to make ears and inner ears on some pink. The size of this is completely up to you. You can have giant ears on your mouse. You can have tiny ears on your mouse. I think it would be funnier if I'd made my ears even bigger than this. And then you want a little round nose. So there you go. Use some glue to put the pink center in the gray ear, or the green center in the neon pink ear. Whatever color you're doing does not matter. And then set those aside so that those can dry a little bit. One thing that I did not show you is that I have white paper too. I just used copy paper for the white. It doesn't matter what kind of thing you use. Because he needs whiskers, clearly. So I just cut some strips of white. I cut way too many. But cut some strips of white so that you can make him some whiskers. Beautiful. That's more whiskers than any mouse ever would need. But who knows? I purposefully left this mouse in the makerspace so that Rachel would go, Rachel works upstairs, she would go, oh my goodness, there's a mouse in the makerspace, and she didn't notice, which was a sad time for me. In hindsight, I should have sent her a picture and said, there's a mouse in the makerspace, just to freak her out slightly. I don't know. Sometimes when you craft alone by yourself, for as long as I had on this day, jokes are funny in your head that aren't actually even jokes. So, I don't know. Stick some whiskers on this mouse. Now for his eyes, I had stickers. You can use googly eyes, you can just draw eyes, or you can use that white paper to cut a circle and use a Sharpie to make the black dot in the inside, and there you go, eyes. I was lucky to have those stickers available. You can get them online if you want them, or I think I got them from Universal Art and Education. And while I was talking about my stupid joke that wasn't, I cut a strip to be a tail, and I rolled it up around a pencil to make it curved, because it's more fun if your mouse has a curly tail. Not like a pig curly, but like curled. See how his ears could have been like twice that size and it would have been funny? But they're cute anyway. So I don't know when you would use this craft. It's not really a thing you could make into a card, but he's adorable and I love him. So maybe he could just be your mouse friend. I'm just obsessed. It's so cute. Look, there he's crawling. Oh, I love it so much.